In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all in Google Drive photos. Whether you're looking to organize your files, make a mass deletion, or simply move a large number of files, knowing how to select all your photos at once can save you a ton of time. So let's dive right in and make your Google Drive experience smoother and more efficient. First things first, you need to access your Google Drive. Simply open your web browser and head over to the Google Drive website. Once you're there, you'll be prompted to sign in. This is a straightforward process. Type in your email, hit next, and then enter your password. If you're already logged into your Google account, you might skip this step and land directly in your Drive. Now that you're in, you'll find yourself on the main page of Google Drive, also known as your Drive. From here, you have access to all the folders and files you have stored. But today we're focusing on photos, so let's move on to finding that specific folder. Navigate through your Drive to locate the folder where your photos are stored. This can vary depending on how you've organized your Drive, but generally photos are stored in a folder named something along the lines of Photos, or perhaps a specific event name. Once you've found the right folder, give it a click to enter. Here's where the magic happens. To select all your photos at once, you'll need to use a simple keyboard shortcut. If you're on a Windows machine, you're going to press Ctrl and the letter A at the same time. Mac users, you'll be using Command and A. This action will instantly highlight every file and folder within your current view, effectively selecting all your photos in one fell swoop. This method is particularly handy when dealing with a large number of files, allowing you to quickly perform any action on the entire selection, be it moving, deleting, or sharing those photos. However, remember to use this power wisely. Selecting all and deleting without checking could lead to accidental loss of important files. And just like that, you've mastered a simple yet incredibly useful skill within Google Drive. Organizing, sharing, or editing your photo collections has never been easier. Remember, a tidy drive is a happy drive, so make the most out of these tips to keep your digital life organized. Thank you for joining me for this tutorial. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or just looking to clean up your online files, I hope this guide helps you navigate Google Drive more effectively. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make your digital experience as smooth as possible.